Every single day, thousands of rifles are produced and prepared for military stockpiles around the world. Among all firearms ever created, one weapon stands above the rest in recognition, simplicity, and global reach: the AK-47. In this video, we will explore how raw materials like steel and wood are transformed through engineering and precision into one of the most iconic rifles in history. Step by step, we will see how the AK-47 is made from the factory floor to final testing. The story of the AK-47 begins in the year 1947. A Soviet engineer and soldier, Mikhail Kalashnikov, set out to design a rifle with one clear goal: reliability. He wanted a weapon that could operate in extreme cold, heavy dust, mud, and heat without failure. The result was a simple but incredibly robust automatic rifle. More than 70 years later, the core design of the AK-47 remains almost unchanged. While modern variants have introduced better materials and improved ergonomics, the original mechanical concept has stood the test of time. The name AK-47 comes from Avtomat Kalashnikova, meaning Kalashnikov's automatic rifle, and the number 47 refers to the year the design was finalized. To manufacture the rifle, two main materials are required: high-strength carbon steel and treated wood or reinforced polymer. Large steel blocks arrive at the factory and are carefully inspected. At the same time, wood, often birch or beech, is delivered for traditional stocks and handguards. These raw materials are sorted and prepared before production begins. The steel blocks are transported to high-temperature industrial furnaces, where temperatures exceed 1,500 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat allows the metal to soften so it can be shaped. The heated steel is then poured or pressed into industrial molds that form the rough shapes of key components, such as the receiver, the barrel, and the bolt carrier. After cooling, these parts are placed into massive hydraulic presses. These machines apply enormous pressure, compressing and strengthening the metal. This forging process increases durability and ensures the rifle can withstand repeated firing stress. The semi-finished parts then move to precision machining stations, where automated lathes drill barrel channels, cut grooves, and refine dimensions with high accuracy. Even the smallest measurements are carefully controlled. Smaller components, such as the trigger, safety lever, and magazine body, are manufactured separately using hardened steel. Throughout this process, quality control is constant. Any part that does not meet strict standards is immediately removed to ensure reliability. While steel forms the mechanical core of the rifle, traditional AK-47s also use wood for external components. The wood is dried, treated against moisture and heat, and pressed into laminated layers for strength. These layers are shaped into the stock, handguard, and grip panels. This laminated design prevents cracking and improves durability under harsh conditions. Many modern versions now use polymer instead of wood, but the principle remains the same. Once all components are ready, the internal assembly begins. The bolt carrier group is installed first, allowing the rifle to load, fire, and eject cartridges. The recoil spring is added next, helping the bolt return smoothly after each shot. The firing system is then assembled, including the trigger, hammer, and firing pin. These parts are made from heat-treated steel and designed to function for tens of thousands of cycles. All internal components are mounted inside the receiver, which acts as the structural backbone of the rifle. At this stage, the mechanism is tested manually without ammunition. Technicians check for smooth movement, proper alignment, and correct timing. Any resistance or misalignment is corrected immediately. After the internal system is complete, the external structure is assembled. The stamped metal receiver cover is installed to protect the internal mechanism from dust and debris. The stock, handguard, and pistol grip are then attached, giving the rifle its recognizable shape and stability. The barrel is permanently fixed to the receiver, using rivets and welds. Above the barrel, the gas tube is installed. This system uses gas pressure from each fired round to cycle the bolt automatically, allowing continuous operation. The front sight and adjustable rear sight are added, enabling effective targeting at distances of up to 300 or 400 meters. Finally, the curved magazine is attached. Its unique shape ensures reliable feeding of ammunition, even in extreme environments filled with dirt, sand, or mud. With assembly complete, the rifle undergoes rigorous testing. Each unit is taken to a controlled firing range, where trained operators load live ammunition. The rifle is tested for reliability, consistency, heat resistance, and recoil control. The standard rate of fire is approximately 600 rounds per minute. In automatic mode, the weapon must operate smoothly without jamming. Accuracy is also evaluated. While the AK-47 is not designed as a precision sniper rifle, it must reliably hit targets at operational distances. If any component fails, the rifle is disassembled and repaired or rejected. Only rifles that pass every test move forward. Approved rifles receive final finishing touches. A unique serial number, production year, and manufacturing location are engraved onto the body. The rifle is thoroughly cleaned to remove residue from testing and lightly coated to prevent corrosion. Before shipping, the rifle is partially disassembled. Magazines, cleaning tools, manuals, and accessories are packed separately in reinforced containers. These containers are designed to withstand long-distance transportation by land, sea, or air. Every shipment is documented with strict records. With more than 100 million units produced worldwide, the AK-47 is the most manufactured rifle in history. Production has taken place in over 30 countries, and the rifle has reached every corner of the planet. Its simplicity, low cost, and durability have made it one of the most widely distributed firearms ever created. Despite its global impact, Mikhail Kalashnikov never became wealthy from his invention. He worked for the Soviet state and passed away in 2013, leaving behind a design that changed modern history forever. The AK-47 represents engineering efficiency and historical influence. While its construction showcases simplicity and strength, it is important to remember that weapons carry serious consequences. Understanding how the AK-47 is made helps us appreciate manufacturing and engineering, while also reminding us of the responsibility tied to such inventions. Now that you know the complete manufacturing process, what part surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this educational video, like it, share it, and subscribe for more fascinating manufacturing stories.